Sup guys, Devin of Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're doing the last 3 days in Alaska. Here is some freaking bald eagles on the beach. Here's 3 of them. I never caught a picture of having all 4 of them together. There was 4 at one time. This one's just, they're flying off. And they're just so close to us. It's freaking crazy. Here is Saldovia's Otterbond. It's a hiking trail. We worked really hard on this trail, so you better like it. Something like that saying on their sign. It's pretty funny. I didn't see any otters on the trail, kinda. I did see a bunch of otters in the ocean. There's Tanner, my boy! The foliage and everything was crazy. This freaking tree was carved out like a freaking door. It was funny. It'd have to be an extreme high tide.
Well, they only get like the really high tides like a couple times a year.
Hi, Tanner.
Hi.
Oh.
How's it going?
Can the camera even pick it up? Yeah. No, why would you take a panoramic when you could take a video? And here's going to be a bunch of pictures from on the hike. This is on the beach. This is the white beach. It's all different. The video of the beach was a bunch of pebbles. This one's just a white beach. There's a little bit better of a shot of it. Up where those trees and rocks are was where we were, where I filmed that little video. We chilled there for a while. Here's just on the other side of the peninsula, a lot wider and bigger rocks right next to the ocean. It's freaking cool. This is about mid-tide, not high tide, not low tide. It's just so white. Camera doesn't do it justice. Look at all that seaweed right there too. All over the rocks and everything. This is a cliff. That's it zoomed out. Freaking love my camera to be able to zoom out. It's awesome. Probably like a 150-foot cliff down to the ocean. It's really cool. Here's some markings from 1956 of there's this reflector thing to know where so boats know that there's a lot of cliff edges right here. And there's a little peninsula that you stand off to it. You can see it a little bit on the left side of the screen. There's another one of the markers from the Coast Guard. Me on the very edge of the thing with about a 200-foot cliff. Freaking so pretty up there. I thought it'd be really windy, but it wasn't. It was nice. Hey, there's my boy Stetson, and behind him is the sign. This is some artwork that Tanner drew on the car, the Ford Excursion, I think it was the model. There's a bald eagle's freaking print, just enormous. All right, boys, we're leaving Saldovia, going back to Homer. We fly Saldovia. We're gonna be going back to Homer for the next day and a half, and then we fly back home. And then we can explore the long ride across to get the bay. Yeah, you want to film me? I'm driving the boat.
Driving the boat?
Big boat, the big boat. I lean this way. No, a little bit more weight on this side.
Yeah, that's sexy, man.
Yeah, I'm getting her done. You get good at driving them, bro. Kasa, my dude! Salty Dog Saloon, a pub, a bar, everyone always raving about that you gotta go to. Return of the Sockeye! My favorite picture. Keith over here just like, I have to hold this. Oh yeah, baby, this is awesome.
We got the boys out here.
Okay, we got the boys.
Devin's doing
Woo! From Utah. Woo! Here he goes.
Guys, need to say this time, dude. I said it last night. Hi. Boy Scout camp. End the trip right. Except I always started out Boy Scout camp with this, and then I did it almost every day. So.
Okay, ready? Okay. On your marks, get set, go! Go, Dylan, go! Come on, Deb! Woo! You did it!
That's disgusting water.
What a man, Devin! What a man!
Oh, that's gross. Come in.
He's an Arctic fish. Good job! Woohoo! Good job, man! Alright, you guys are true Alaskans.
Alright, this is round 2 of that same hike that we did earlier in the video. Keith didn't come with us, so he came with us on this one. But we actually took a different route. We started from the beach and came around the other side. Hiked in a couple different areas, which is pretty cool. Hence the different pictures and different angles of this cliff. There's all that White Rock Beach. Here's a little rock that we found. It has like a Facebook link, but it was like half ripped off. The rest of it wasn't like clear coated onto the rock. Some pictures of where I put it. Maybe someone will find it. I never posted on Facebook because I didn't know the exact link. Guys, we went back to Homer.
Not Homer, Seldovia.
I mean, we went back to Seldovia with the rest of his family, but
that trip was a very interesting trip.
yeah, it was really wavy. So now we're taking the ferry back to Homer, and then we're gonna fly out. It's been epic, unreal. Look, it's the crew room.
The crew only.
Here's a cute little boat right next to the ferry.
Comfortable or enjoyable, please let us know. Thank you for traveling aboard the Seldovia Bay ferries. Catch a map voyager.
What's up, guys?
And we're back at the airport. Here's our plane. Now that's how you do an update. We're about to go get on that plane.
Oh, round 2 plane, the small plane. Round 2. We got it. Round 2.
Here's some pictures of Seldovia. No, not Seldovia. This is Homer. The Homer Pier, all the way out there in the clouds. Here's a cool river that was on our flight back. You can see some old routings where it was and the new routing. It's just like super curvy. It's really weird. So I took a picture of it. Gotta go down the tunnel. Gotta go get loaded onto the big plane. This is in Anchorage.
Last flight, bro. Guys, we made it home from Alaska. I got my babies. They're here. But Alaska was freaking epic. But don't worry, we're back to the grind. We're gonna be
actually working on other stuff and getting the garage cleaned up and ready for more adventures this summer. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I don't know if it was a 2-part sequence, probably was, but yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.